Imagine this for a moment. You're parked at the edge of a quiet lakeside, morning light spilling through the trees, fresh air drifting through your open sliding door, and you're inside a small luxury camper van that somehow gives you the comfort of a full-size motorhome. You stretch, take a few steps, open a hidden panel, and suddenly, a full bathroom appears right in front of you. A shower big enough to move around in. A private toilet you're not squeezed into. All inside a van that's no longer than an average city parking space. Today, we're exploring a camper van that doesn't just optimize space, it actually redefines what's possible inside a compact luxury layout. This is the kind of van that makes you think, if they can fit a real bathroom in here, what else can they do? So, let's step inside and take a closer look. From the outside, the first model looks sleek, modern, and surprisingly understated. Clean body lines, a soft matte finish, and a roofline that doesn't give away its biggest secret. The design keeps things simple, almost minimal, which makes what's inside feel even more impressive. Slide the door open, and everything feels warm and premium. Soft LED lighting glows along the ceiling, the cabinetry has this smooth modern finish, and the entire interior feels like a tiny luxury apartment on wheels. But your eyes instantly notice the middle section, because this is where the magic happens. At first glance, it looks like a wardrobe or storage cabinet. But pull the handle, and the entire section expands outward, revealing a surprisingly spacious private wet bath. Not a small corner shower. Not a fold-down tray. A real full bathroom hidden inside a compact camper van. Inside, you get a tall shower space with enough room to move, a toilet that folds away cleanly, waterproof walls with a premium finish, good ventilation, and lighting that makes it feel so much bigger than it is. For such a small van, this is one of the smartest and cleanest bathroom layouts you'll ever see. Next to it is the kitchen, compact, but extremely practical. You get a deep stainless steel sink, a real countertop you can prep meals on, multiple drawers, and a fridge that's big enough for several days of groceries. Across from that sits the lounge area. It's open, bright, and comfortable enough for two people to eat, relax, or work. At the back, the sleeping area feels cozy and premium. There's soft lighting, a small shelf for your phone, USB ports, reading lights. Everything arranged in a way that feels natural, never cramped. This first model proves that being small doesn't mean being limited. But the next one takes that idea even further. The second model is made for travelers who move from city to city, blending urban convenience with full-time comfort. The exterior has a sportier look, black trim, roof rails, and a slightly raised stance that gives it a confident, adventurous feel. But the interior is where it truly stands out. The moment you step inside, you get a warm, modern apartment vibe. Light wood finishes, matte black fixtures, and a layout that feels open even though the space is compact. And yes, the bathroom is hidden again, but this time in a very different way. Instead of sliding from a cabinet, the bathroom opens through a rotating wall section. Turn the wall, and an entire hidden compartment swings open, revealing a full shower enclosure with a proper overhead shower head. You don't see any seams or plumbing from the outside, everything is tucked away perfectly. Inside this bathroom, you get a proper shower basin, fold-out shelves, a toilet that disappears when not in use, a bright light panel so the room never feels tight or dark, and even a small vanity area with a mirror. For a van this size, the bathroom feels almost unreal. The kitchen in this model has a glossy, modern look, with a 2-burner cooktop, deep drawers, a good-sized fridge, and overhead cabinets that close softly and smoothly. The lounge area is bright and comfortable too, perfect for relaxing, working, or eating after a long day of exploring. And at night, that lounge transforms into a cozy sleeping area with a thick mattress, adjustable lighting, and storage underneath for clothing or gear. This second model is perfect for city travelers or anyone who wants modern comforts without giving up mobility. But the final model today might be the most luxurious of all. The third camper van feels like a small premium hotel suite hidden inside a compact vehicle. The exterior has a glossy finish with aluminum accents and a stylish front grille that looks more like a luxury SUV than a motorhome. Step inside, and the lighting immediately sets the tone. Soft ambient strips run across the ceiling, under the cabinets, and around the sleeping area, creating a warm, inviting glow. The bathroom, once again, is hidden, but this one works in a completely different way. Instead of folding or rotating, the bathroom actually drops down from a vertical panel. It forms a sealed wet bath with smooth walls and a premium finish. Inside, you get a tall shower area with freedom of movement, a rainfall-style shower head, waterproof surfaces with a glossy, modern texture, a proper toilet, a folding sink that feels solid and refined, and great lighting that creates a spa-like experience. For a van this compact, this is a remarkable engineering achievement. The kitchen area includes a wide countertop, induction cooktop, deep sink, and a full-height fridge, something extremely rare in a small campervan. The lounge is bright, well-designed, and perfect for evenings spent relaxing. Thanks to the hidden bathroom, the whole cabin stays open and uncluttered. And at the back, the bed features a soft headboard, reading lights, storage cabinets, and a thick, comfortable mattress. Everything about this model feels elegant and thoughtfully laid out. So, which one stands out the most? The first model impresses with its simple sliding wall bathroom and warm, home-like interior. The second model brings modern styling and a rotating wall bathroom that feels almost futuristic. And the third model offers the most luxurious experience, with a drop-down bathroom that feels like something from a high-end hotel. But all three share one thing in common: they deliver something incredibly rare. A full bathroom hidden inside a small luxury campervan, without sacrificing comfort, space, or mobility. This is the future of compact travel: smart layouts, space-saving engineering, and interiors that feel far bigger than their footprint. Now I'm curious, which of these hidden bathroom designs is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Small campervans used to mean compromise. Tight spaces, cramped features, and no real bathroom. But designs like these change everything. With a compact footprint, you get the freedom to go anywhere, while still enjoying the comfort of a real shower, a real toilet, and a living space that feels warm and inviting. It's the perfect balance between mobility and comfort, making travel smoother, easier, and far more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the most exciting campervans and motorhomes on the road today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.